Good evening once again. I'm Stephanie Ruhle. The recently indicted former President Donald Trump is facing even more legal pressure tonight. Trump was back in New York today, where he spent a total of 8 hours under oath for a deposition from New York State Attorney General Tish James. She filed a $250 million civil lawsuit alleging fraud in Trump's real estate business practices. Trump has denied any wrongdoing, and according to a spokesperson, AG James was present for some of his testimony, and they added that he spoke, quote, a lot. That is a massive change from his first deposition back in August of last year, when he took the fifth over 400 times.
Accordingly, under the advice of my counsel and for all of the above reasons, I respectfully decline to answer the questions under the rights and privileges afforded to every citizen under the United States Constitution. Same answer, same answer, same answer, same answer, same answer.
And that's not all. There's new reporting about special counsel Jack Smith's investigations. The Washington Post says prosecutors on the January 6th inquiry are looking to determine if Trump or his advisors scammed donors by using false claims of voter fraud to raise money. That is also something the January 6th committee investigated last year.
The Trump campaign used these false claims of election fraud to raise hundreds of millions of dollars from supporters who were told their donations were for the legal fight in the courts. But the Trump campaign didn't use the money for that. The big lie was also a big ripoff.
I'd like to know where that money was spent. And the New York Times reporting the feds working on the classified documents investigation have asked witnesses if Trump personally showed off a map with sensitive intelligence information. Meanwhile, we're also following jury selection in the Dominion Voting System's $1.6 billion defamation suit against Fox News. The process began this morning. Opening statements are expected to start Monday. Fox, of course, has denied the claims made by Dominion and said it is protected by the First Amendment. The trial is expected to last about 6 weeks.